Right. Welcome back, everybody, to our YouTube channel BTCTV, and we continue to do videos about blockchain market, about different companies in this space. Today, we are happy to present you exclusive interview with the company Paxo Finance, and today on the line with me, co-founder Pranjal Prasar. Thanks for coming to our TV show, Pranjal. Thanks for your time. And instantly, my first question will be, can you kindly make introduction? What is Paxo Finance is all about? So what is this project is actually more information if you can provide.
Thank you so much. Thanks for having me here. It's always a pleasure to speak about the product we are launching. So Paxo Finance is an investment loan protocol. We realize that most of the DeFi protocols available in the market are over collateralized, right? So they're equivalent to a pawn shop or a gold loan model where you put in assets worth, let's say, €100 or $100, and you take a loan of $60 or $70. What we are trying to do is something similar to mortgage or home loan model where you put in $20 and you take loan of $80, and for the combined $100 you buy some investment. You invest in any crypto of your choice. So same DeFi but in a different context. And now the number of people who can actually avail this under collateralized loan, that number is significantly higher than people who are currently using any over collateralized loans. So that's our end goal with Paxo, where we make DeFi investment a mainstream solution for everyone, even with people with smaller holding in their wallet.
I see. Thanks. Okay, then my next question will be, okay, idea is interesting one, is nice one. I like this one. But why you decided to start this one, and when this idea came to you, like you saw this opportunity, why, when, and why?
Sure. So I've been a tech entrepreneur for almost a decade now. I started my career as information security consultant for some of the largest Fortune 500 companies. Uh, Worked across different continents. Then I started my entrepreneurship journey, built my first company, sold it back in 2015, started a SaaS company back in 2016, exited it during COVID. So from 2017-18, we have been interested in crypto or blockchain as a space. We have been engaged with protocols and products in various capacities, sometimes as investors, sometimes as advisors, sometimes as a security consultant. And we also started experimenting with a very small fund pooled in by friends and family. And we started doing a lot of trades and started making private investment. And that's when we realized that, hey, we have 100K, but we wanted to buy BTC worth 500K. And then we realized that, hey, we don't have any protocol which allows today, right? If I have 100K and I know that market is going in a different direction and I just want to take that bet, the only option I had was I had to use any margin trading protocol. But with margin trading protocol, you don't have a real asset. You cannot settle the position by, it's just the price adjustment we have, right? So if the end goal of making this trade was to take custody of, let's say, Bitcoin worth $500,000 by investing 100K and paying off remaining 400K over next 4 months time, we never found this protocol. And that's when we realized that, hey, this is a genuine problem. And if we are facing this, I'm sure there are tons of traders and active participants in the DeFi ecosystem who would love to have this solution. That's when we started working on it.
I see. Okay, interesting. Thanks for explaining this one. And when we are speaking with any project, the most one of the important thing is the team who is standing behind of the project. Can you tell us more about like your team, why you decided to go with those team members, and more information about that?
So yeah, I totally agree. As an entrepreneur, team is the most important part because ideas keep evolving. With time we get to add more elements to an idea and make it a reality. But team is something which goes through a very tough time, sometimes in a positive way, sometimes in a negative way. So right now, our core team consists of 3 people. One of them has a very strong Ethereum experience, so he has been part of blockchain development ecosystem for more than 5 years now. He has contributed to one DeFi protocol. He has also contributed to a cross-chain integration protocol. Overall, he's a techie with almost 12 years of experience. Started his career from Web 2 and then eventually move into Web3. Firstly, I have been an entrepreneur in tech businesses for almost 10 years now. I have built, scaled, and sold 2 companies so far. I also do a lot of angel investments. I understand Web3 and Web2 and information security. So these are my core forte. My third co-founder, we have active investment interest. So we have been investing together for last 4 years now. We know each other for more than 8 years. It's kind of synergy which happened over a period of time when all of us started seeing a problem and started coming out, started exploring the solution, and then started building the overall protocol. Uh, Also, as a part of my entrepreneurship journey, I have experience of building and scaling large teams. So we have team currently distributed across India, Middle East, Australia, some part in Europe, and now we are scaling that up.
Okay, thanks. Yeah, because as I say, team members is really very important one. Thanks for telling us about that one. Very good one. Now, my next question will be like about your roadmap. Like what, like you have idea. Can you tell us where right now, at this moment, with this idea, like at what stage is your project? And for example, where do you see your project, let's say, in 1 year?
So the good part about Paxo Finance is we are currently live on testnet, on Polygon testnet.
Mm-hmm.
So the protocol is ready. It's already audited by the first company. We are also currently getting it audited by the second, one of the largest agencies in this space. So that means we will be live within next maybe a couple of weeks or maybe at max 2 to 3 months time, depending upon a couple of integrations and reports of the audit. So from product readiness, we are ready with one single pool architecture. Over next 4 quarters, our roadmap includes increasing the protocol to multi-pool architecture. So that means right now there is just one pool, which is the USDC, and that can be used to buy around 12 top cryptocurrencies. But moving forward, we will see multiple pools, maybe 7 or 8 pools by end of third quarter this year. We also have plans to integrate and create specific pools for metaverse and NFT assets. Of course, that requires slightly different approach than what we are taking for fungible tokens. But by end of next 1 year, we will have multi-pool architecture. We'll also have uh, protocol deployed across at least 2 other blockchains apart from Polygon. And we will have initial traction on tools for NFTs and metaverse.
Okay, cool. Uh, can you tell us regarding, because I'm reading right now your website, and can you tell us a bit about your partnerships, about your investors, maybe some key partners, that part of your company?
Sure. Thanks for asking this. So, of course, partnership is one of the key area which drives success of any good protocol. We have been fortunate to have good support from Polygon from day zero. They have been kind to us. They have made a lot of introduction. They have given us grant. They have opened doors, both in terms of technology know-how and marketing, building the right team and audience, helping us with the right partnership. So of course, Polygon remains one of our key blockchain partners. Apart from that, we are working with integrators like oracles. These are the protocols who provide price feed to us. So we have 1 or 2 partnership on that front as well. Some of the investors like China Polka, BMW, ZepPay, all these are part of our cap table. They have invested in us. They are working with us in making sure that the protocol is moving in the right direction, both in terms of launch and in terms of development. We also have Cogitant and a couple of other VCs on our cap table. Other partnership includes some of the DEXs. So right now we are going live on Polygon. So Uniswap V3 is one of the integration. We are talking to a couple of other DEXs. Ongoing discussion includes DEXs like QuickSwap or Define. We also have plans to have liquidators, protocols which automatically liquidates position when it goes down. So we have partnership coming up on that front as well.
Okay.
Apart from that, we are also going live with almost 12 top tokens. So we will have some key partnership on the token listing front as well.
Thanks. Interesting. Now, we are coming a little bit closer to the end of this interview, right? What is your main message to all our viewers, to all our subscribers? Like, for example, if I am like a small investor, how do I want it and how I can participate in your project? So, what is your tips and what can you tell us to all, as I say, to all our audience?
Sure. So we believe that market is in a very interesting phase, and I strongly encourage people, especially in the retail segment with smaller holding in their wallet, to come and try our protocol whenever it goes live on the mainnet. We have a very lucrative incentive structure, so that means anyone who is providing liquidity, on Paxo protocol, they will earn tokens apart from the earning fixed APY. So, and I promise that it's going to be much more lucrative and much more, beneficial compared to other DeFi protocols they are seeing in the market. I'm very ecstatic and happy that probably in the next few weeks' time we will be inviting people to start participating in the protocol. I strongly encourage people to try it, give us feedback, be part of this ecosystem, create some positions, give us some feedback, and let's build something larger together.
All right. Thanks, Pranjal, for your time. I know you are busy right now with your project, but again, thanks for coming to our TV show. We are leaving all the links below this video to the Paxo Finance project. So if you would love to join, you can join their community social networks. You can check their website. And so thanks again. I just wanted to say, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, BTCTV channel as well. Thank you.
Thank you so much.